नमस्कार दोस्तों, इस लेक्चर में हम देखने वाले टॉप 5 फंगल जर्नल्स फॉर पब्लिकेशन। ये हमारा पार्ट फर्स्ट है। तो चलिए दोस्तों देखते हैं। पहला जर्नल है ऑस्ट्रेलियसिन माइकोलॉजिस्ट। द एब्रिविएशन इज ऑस्ट्रेलियसिन माइकोलॉजिस्ट सोसाइटी, ऑस्ट्रेलियसिन माइकोलॉजिकल सोसाइटी। द जर्नल इज पब्लिश्ड बाय ऑस्ट्रेलियन माइकोलॉजिकल सोसाइटी. Publication frequency is 1 volume 3 issues per year, and this is the journal submission mail ID of managing editors, and this is journal website. And the publication fee for the journal is really free, and it is open access, means the volume or the issue will be accessible for the authors too. And the area of publication is all aspects of mycology like taxonomy, systematic, medical mycology, plant pathology, and the history. And the language is English. Second journal is Cryptogamia Mycologia. The abbreviation is Cryptogamy Mycol Society Association des Amis des Cryptogamy, that is ADAC Cryptogamy. And the journal is published by Association des Amis des Cryptogamy, that is ADAC Cryptogamy. Publication frequency is 1 volume 4 issues per year. And the journal submission we have to submit through the editor-in-chief. This is journal website, and the publication fee for the journal, it is totally free, and it is not open access journal. Area of publication, all aspects of mycology like taxonomy, systematic, medical mycology, medical plant pathology, and the history. Language, actually this journal is basically from the French language, but they can publish English, German, Italian, Spanish manuscripts, and the impact factor is 0.717. Next journal, that is the current research in environmental and applied mycology. Now abbreviation for this journal is CREAM. Okay, society, it is published under Society Mushroom Research Foundation, and the publisher is the Mycosphere. Publication frequency 1 volume 2 issues per year, and the journal submission we have to submit our manuscript through the production editor, that is on this mail ID, and journal website is here. Publication fee, it is totally free of cost, and it is open access journal. Area, all aspects of mycology like taxonomy, systematics, medical mycology, plant pathology, and history. So the PhD students, they can publish their review article in this journal also, and the language is English and Chinese. Impact factor is 0.25. Next journal is the FEMS East Research. The abbreviation for this journal is FEMS East Research Society, Federation of European Mycological Society, and the publisher for the journal is Ville Blackwell. Publication frequency is 1 volume 8 issues per year. How we can submit a manuscript? So through this mail ID, means managing editor mail ID, and this is journal website. Publication fee, it is a free, but it is not open access journal. Area, all aspects of East Research. Language English and Chinese, and impact factor 1.785. Fungal Biology is the next and important journal. Now abbreviation for this Fungal Biol Society, British Mycology Society, and the publisher for the journal is Elsewhere. Publication frequency 1 volume 12 issues per year. Journal submission, how we can submit, to the managing editors. So this is the website link, and this is the journal website link. Publication fee, it is a total free of cost, but it is not open access journal. Area of research, all aspects of fungal research. Language, it's English, and the impact factor is 2.921. So these are the some fungal journals where we can publish our papers. Thanks a lot.